Happy Monday, darlings. How's everybody feeling? Is everybody doing good after yesterday's? I'm feeling pretty good today. I cannot wait for the rest of this week to go by. I am looking forward to so many things. Hopefully all of my packages will be in. I can't wait to open them. So today's move is going to be a lot of planking. So get ready for your shoulders to be on fire. Okay, so let's talk about how to get into a plank. First thing you're going to want to do is square your shoulders and make sure that your hands are facing forward. You want to make sure that the weight is in the inside of your palm, so try to pick up those pinkies and that'll automatically rotate your weight that way. Now I'm doing the shoeless, but you can definitely do this in shoes if you want. And the modification is to come down to your knees, and we're going to come like this for that modification. Otherwise, stay up here. You could also do it on fist if you would prefer, but I'm going to try to keep it just like this. So let's get started with one. Really try to reach for your shin and come back down to that plank before you switch to the other side. Try to send those hips up as high as you can. Remember that good form is better than going high. So if all you can do is this, but you still really hit that plank, that is perfectly fine. Or if all you can do is reach your knee, like I am, that is okay. This is really working on them shoulders. You might be feeling your hamstrings, because this needs them to really be able to be flexible. If you need to, take your break. My hands are getting a little sweaty, so I'm gonna take my second, dry them off. Come back up, come up and down, up, down. Whew. Really try to keep your neck nice and neutral here, so you can keep that all in alignment. If you need to, you can also take a really wide stance. It'll definitely give you a lot more stability. I don't know if you can hear my shoulders cracking, but they do every time I come up into that down dog. Whew. So really just concentrate on what you're doing. Tell yourself that you're doing a good job. You're almost there. Because you want to think positive things as you're doing these workouts. Otherwise, they're not going to be nearly as fun if you keep telling yourself you can't. Because that will actually trick your body and you won't be able to. Whew. Feel like we're almost there. Or at least I really want to be. Whew. Gonna take a break. Right for a second. Roll my shoulders out. If you need to, you can also stretch. So drop that shoulder down. Come over. This is really shoulder heavy. And if you have wrist issues, this can also really hurt. So listen to your body and just make sure that you're doing what feels good to you. Exercise is all about getting better, but you don't want to hurt yourself. Whew. So really, like I said, just do the best you can. Even if you can only make it through 50 of these, that's still a lot better than doing none. So if you just want to do these 10 times in little sets of 10, then that's fine. Whew. And you also got to give yourself a huge round of applause for just giving this challenge a go. You could just sit on your butt eating a bag of chips, watching Netflix. I mean, most of the time I would rather be doing that than working out. So if you're choosing to work out, give yourself a huge round of applause. Whew. And doing little things like this every day can really turn what could be a little fun challenge into an actual routine, which you can keep going through and actually change your body and see lots of improvements that way. Whew. Because fitness shouldn't just be for the goal of a good body, but it should be to get healthier. I mean, we all want a good body. I mean, that's the main reason most people work out, but it's also really about being good to your body. And I like to think of working out because you love your body, not because you hate it. I think I got 8 more left, so let's get these last 8 in. Whew. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, last one, 8. Whew. What I really love about this move is it uses your entire body. And we're not doing anything really fast, but you can tell I'm still out of breath and I still got an amazing workout in. So really, I know these are hard, but it is really worth it to work on these. So just drop down to your knees if you need to. Just really try to give these a go. And I will see you tomorrow for our next move. Bye!